E19.6 front pair and B slot. There you go, Otto. We just looked at that L launch, and you just launch straight out from the door here, and I've been looking at exactly the same thing. If you can obviously keep that connected, there we go. And then from here into the L, you'd find it way easier, I think, than what you guys did. All right, the 19s, back pair's looking really good. Front pair, we need to get Nadia through more. Right, this would be really, there's some good ones that will work for a short 19, but we need to get Nadia through further. Now, between the two of you, Otto and Nadia, you guys need to fix that. Maybe Nadia just thinking a little straighter before you flick your hips. From the start point here, you're trying to get through to here for the Otto moves out, there we go. You flick through to this angle and then actually rotate an extra 45 at the end. But if you see, that's really good for a short 19, but we got the 6 coming up, which leaves you out of position. Yeah, keep getting locked up on that 19, which has a bit of an issue on the subsequent 6 build then from there. There we go, that's the best one so far. So if you guys talk to each other, Nadia and Otto, see if you can help each other out. Nadia just flicking through 180 to there, and then that extra 45 rotation, and that puts you already on the right side into the 6 build, and there we have probably the best 6 build so far. Otto, it's super easy at the end of this block to get really caught up with where Nadia is. This is probably the better one, where I see your head looking back for Matthew. And then guys, Matthew and Otto, you're trying to see the long axis, right? You're trying to build it in between Nadia and Yora to the 6 build, and then we get that really good shape, symmetrical shape at the start of the 6, and then we start to look at more consistent block moves as well. There we go, looks like we're fixing the 19, because if we end up with a 6 like this, look at the shape of the start of the block, and it just gives us 2 different angles between Otto and Yora. Possibly, if you guys notice it, then it's better, but the way to fix it again is to hold off the grips and move to the long axis for the 6. Although really good fix, guys, and you should be able to fix something like that. You should notice that you're at the wrong angle. Yeah, we're getting a little bit lost here. Still the same issue. I want to see Nadia come from here. I want to see Nadia through to here. So Otto steps out. Not too much backwards, please, Otto. Make sure you step in this way. If you go too far back, Nadia's got nowhere to go. So I need your hips out to here at 45, just very mellow. And then if this is happening, Matthew and Otto kind of ignore the crunched situation that you're in and move to an M, which is the 6 as well. Here's the center point now, where the cursor is, there it is. You guys should be moving to the M shape, not worrying too much about the grips. There we go, that's what happens when you've got space to do the move. So there we go, so you see the difference? On the previous one, it looked like you were backing up a little bit, but now it looks like you get out to the side, there we go, to there. And then Nadia can get all the way through, and then we have a really nice 6 build. Awesome. Yeah, it looks like you guys were fixing it towards the end.